scooter has a 36 volt 13.5 amp hour lithium ion battery. Its range is up to 25 to 28 miles. One step folding system for easy to carry. You can fold it within 3 seconds. 28 pounds. Wider, longer deck which can make your foot comfortable in riding. Dual electric brake makes you more safe in riding. You can connect it to the app with your smartphone through Bluetooth. You can use the app to lock your scooter. Smart lighting system. 3 kinds of lights. LED headlight, light rear, taillight, side reflector.